In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your orders on TikTok Shop using the TikTok mobile app. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is open up your TikTok app. Make sure you're logged into your account because you won't be able to access your shop orders otherwise. Now, once you're on the main screen, look towards the bottom of your display and you'll notice a few different icons there. And what you want to do is tap on the shop icon. It's usually located somewhere on the left-hand side, mixed in with your navigation options. This will take you directly to the TikTok Shop. Once you're in the TikTok Shop, glance up to the top right corner of your screen. Here you should see either a three-line menu icon, often called the hamburger icon, or a simple order icon. Give that a tap. This will open up a menu where you can start exploring your orders. Within this section, you'll encounter several different tabs that help you keep track of your purchases in various stages. Let's break these down a little. The sections you'll see include all, to pay or unpaid, to ship or to receive, shipped or completed, to review, and returns or refunds. Each tab is designed to show the status of your orders at a glance. For example, if you've already paid for an item but it hasn't shipped yet, you'll find it nestled under the to ship category. As soon as the seller sends the item on its way, it will transition over to the to receive section, allowing you to keep track of its journey. If you're curious about a particular order, you're in luck. You can tap on any specific order entry to delve into its details. This includes accessing your tracking number, which can be quite handy if you like to know where your package is at all times. Additionally, you can view any relevant delivery updates to stay informed. And if you've got questions for the seller or just want to know more, seller information is right at your fingertips, making it easy to connect or communicate if needed. And there you have it. That's how you can effortlessly view and manage all of your TikTok Shop orders directly within the app. It's a pretty straightforward process once you know where to look. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more TikTok Shop tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.